All right, everyone, welcome. Pre-market just started. It's 24 minutes in pre-market today, and it is March 23. Let's go real quick and some things I want to show you. First of all, let's look at the pre-markets, what's going on with the futures. As we can see right now, as I'm doing the video, the Dow futures in the first half hour pre-market, Dow is up 174, S&P 500 up 29, NASDAQ up 120. So that's that. Now, we're going to talk about big insider buy that almost looks like an insider information setup. This is today that came out, so most likely, probably, I'm guessing the stock will go up. It's already gone up quite a bit though for the past 1 year. We'll talk about that and the breaking news that came out late after hours yesterday.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
As the Cidara Therapeutics received FDA approval for their rezafungin drug. So it is a drug that is fighting it's for the treatment of candidemia and invasive candidiasis. Well, guess what? This is extremely important. It came out late after hours. People are saying, why is the stock not going up? My opinion, and this is just my guess, I don't know. My guess is that because it came late after hours, and I noticed that up until about a half hour before after hours ended, there were many news websites, financial news websites that had not even posted anything about the FDA approval, right? So I think that today it's going to pick up pace, right? Because this is very extremely important. The drug that got approved is huge. If you take a look at this, deadly fungal infection is spreading at an alarming rate, says the CDC. I don't say that, right? So I think that Cidara Therapeutics drug being approved is big in my opinion. I'm not worried at all. So I that's just my opinion. I'm not worried. Another thing that people might want to know, here on my Discord, one of the members here posted this: CDTX FDA approval triggered $60 million milestone pay, $378 million awards and royalties. Now have a treasury to fund their Cloudbreak. Well, Cloudbreak is still in the early stages, but it is a very powerful technology they are advancing. In the future, I think CDTX will be worth even more based on Cloudbreak. What is next is J&J's development support issuing CDTX milestone pay, $700 million awards and royalties. All right, so I think Cidara Therapeutics is headed in the absolute right direction. This is just my opinion, and I'm not worried about it at all. What else do I want to show? So they got the FDA approval. That's that. Let's go on to the Analyst. They give it a price target of $3, $6, $8 within the next 12 months. And with that being said, let's go to the insider buy. The insider buy, ticker symbol MLTX. Look at this. I don't know. Pretty weird. All right. So MLTX, 10% owner, Chen Bihua, if I pronounce the name right of the guy, March 20th and March 21, he bought stock, over $16 million worth of shares. He bought over $11.5 million worth at $19.71, and then $5.1 million worth at $21.70. So the stock currently right now, as I'm doing the video, is trading at $21.25. So based on this insider information, the stock should move higher, right? This is, of course, nothing's guaranteed, but based on this, right, $16 million worth at basically the same price that is trading right now pre-market. What's more interesting is that this insider purchases have a date of March 20th and March 21, and then on March 22nd, right, on March 22nd, Wedbush Analyst came out with a price target for MLTX of $33 per share, right? So I don't know, it's a coincidence, I guess. The guy buys all these shares a day before the analysts come out with a price target of $33 per share. You can find that news if you want to see what about that $33 per share. if you have Webull, for example, you just click on MLTX ticker symbol, go to news, and you'll see where it says in the news section, MoonLake Immunotherapy price target announced at $33 per share by Wedbush. That was on March 22nd. All right, so with that being said, big insider buy a day before the analyst came out with a price target of 33. Is that going to happen? I don't know. I mean, look at it. It's already, this is a 1-year chart you're looking at. The stock has gone up a lot. Now, one layer of risk, because we should never always talk about the positives, we need to also put the risks involved. MoonLake Immunotherapeutics it went public through a SPAC. So it went public through a SPAC. I'm always scared of SPACs. Usually they're good for pops and so on, but not all SPACs are good for long term. In fact, the majority of them are not. But this one actually has been doing quite well, right? So it's at $21.25 as I'm seeing right now. What else can we say? MoonLake Immunotherapeutics completes patient enrollment and randomized ahead of schedule in a phase 2 trial of the nanobody. Look, maybe the insider buy is also about this, because MoonLake's own phase 2 study results are going to be available soon this year. Progression into a pivotal study on good news results would obviously be a major boost for the stock. Maybe that 10% owner knows something about the upcoming data that will be released and purchased, because $16 million is a heck of a bet on the stock, right? The guy's very confident, I guess. The analysts are giving it a low of $16 US, an average of 22, and a high of $30 within the next 12 months. So that's that really. That's the big insider buy that I wanted to show you. I can't tell anyone that this is a buy or not, and I will not say if it's a buy or not. I don't want to influence anyone. That's up to you. But it is interesting. There's a lot of interesting components with MoonLake Immunotherapies. To be honest, I will track it during pre-market hours. As I'm seeing right now in pre-market, it has zero volume, so I can't tell, not even by level 2 data, for example, to try to get a grip, get an idea of where this might go. But regular trading hours or later in pre-market, if it starts to pick up, I really want to check it out and see what that level 2 data shows. Maybe we'll get an idea from that if it's going to go higher or not. I think we will get an idea from that. But that's that. Big insider buy. Then the next day, the analysts upgrade to 33, which you never don't go buy analyst upgrades. They're not always right. But what I'm excited about also is Cidara Therapeutics. Thank you very much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about these stocks. And I wish you all a good trading day today. Take care.